In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from Gmail. If you're managing your calendar through Calendly and Gmail, you may find that the integration between the two platforms is no longer necessary for your workflow. Whether you're switching tools, simplifying your setup, or just looking to disconnect the integration, this tutorial will guide you through the exact steps to remove Calendly from your Gmail account. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can create one using the link provided in the description below. Once you're logged in, head over to the main Calendly homepage. This is where you'll find your dashboard and all your account settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, take a look at the menu options. You're going to want to locate the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where all the tools and platforms that work with Calendly are managed. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Integrations and Apps to open that section. When the Integrations and Apps page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is a handy tool to quickly filter through the many integration options that Calendly offers. In the search bar, type in Gmail. This step is important because it narrows down the list, so you're not scrolling through unnecessary options. By typing Gmail, you'll be directed straight to where the Gmail integration is located. Once you've filtered the results, find the option labeled Gmail Workflow. Click on it to open the Gmail Workflow page. This is where you'll manage the connection between Calendly and your Gmail account. At the top of the Gmail Workflow page, you'll notice a Disconnect button. This is the key to removing the integration. Go ahead and click on that button. When you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This step is designed to prevent accidental disconnections, so it's an important safeguard. To confirm that you want to proceed, click on Disconnect once again in the confirmation window. After completing that step, you'll want to verify that the Gmail integration has been successfully removed. Check to make sure that the Gmail workflow is no longer listed as an active integration under your account. If it's gone, that means you've successfully disconnected Calendly from Gmail. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove Calendly from your Gmail account. This process ensures that your accounts are no longer linked, giving you a clean slate to work with. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.